Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another starter recipe here, and that is chicken Seekh kebab. This recipe is going to be easy and tasty. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Take a blender and add boneless chicken pieces. Here I have used 250 gram of chicken. Add 2 pieces of ginger and blend. Then add crushed or finely chopped green chilies and blend again. The mixture will look like this. Here I have taken 2 finely chopped onions. We need to finely chop the onions. If you have chopper, take a help of the chopper and finely chopped. And make sure to squeeze out all the extra water so we can make perfect Seekh kebabs. Next, we need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder. This is completely optional. If you have, you can use, or else you can skip it. 1 tablespoon of corn flour and finely chopped coriander leaves, 1/2 tablespoon of garam masala and finely chopped garlic cloves, and lastly squeeze half lemon. Mix everything together and make sure to mix it well. We need all the ingredients to combine properly. Now this is ready. If you want to make now only, you can make, or else keep in refrigerator and whenever you want you can make it. Next, with the help of the spoon, we will make Seekh kebab shape. Without spoon also you can make. Take some portion from the mixture and press like this. Take a spoon, insert inside and press, and give Seekh kebab shape. And the final step is add the prepared Seekh kebab to the pan or hot tawa and shallow fry them on all sides until they are nicely cooked. And the Seekh kebabs are now ready to be served. Enjoy them as a starter or as a tasty evening snack. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest video. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a like.